Hello children, welcome to the distance learning. Our today's topic is inside my body. In this topic, we will learn the internal parts of our body. Let's start. You have grown into a child from a baby. You all have grown into a child from a baby. You will grow tall and strong in a few years. What is inside your body that brings about these changes? You will grow tall and strong in a few years. What is inside your body that brings about these changes? Something is inside your body that makes you grow tall and strong year by year, day by day. All of us are born as babies. All of us are born as babies. Babies grow with good care and love. They start to speak, walk, eat, and play. They understand the things. Now they are called children. Over the years, children grow into adults. What is inside our body, children, that makes these changes? Let's find out. Bones and muscles. Our body is made up of bones and muscles. Bones and muscles work together. They help our body move, walk, run, bend, climb, and many more. Bones are hard and strong. They give shape to our body. Some bones are small. Some bones are long. All the bones join to form a skeleton. All the bones are joined and it forms the skeleton. Children, this is called skeleton. The skeleton protects the inner parts of the body. It protects the internal parts of our body. Muscles are attached to the bones. As we grow, bones and muscles also grow. Regular exercise and outdoor play make the bones strong. Internal parts of our body. Body parts that we cannot see from outside are called internal body parts or internal organs of our body. Body parts that we cannot see from outside, body parts that are not visible outside are called internal body parts or internal organs of our body. So, which are the internal body parts? The heart, the lungs, the stomach, the kidneys, and the brain. Heart, lungs, stomach, kidneys, brain. These are called the internal body parts. Let's take a look of these body parts.
Internal parts of our body. In this module, you will learn about the internal parts of your body.
Today, Sid is at his family doctor's clinic with his mother. His mother has been coughing for 2 weeks now. What are you doing, doctor?
I'm checking if everything is fine inside your mama's body.
But what is there inside her body? Is there something inside my body as well?
Do you also want to see?
What is there inside Sid's body? Come, let's peep into his body and find out. Oh, hello. I'm Sid's brain.
Children, this is the brain. This is our brain. The brain controls all the activities of our body. Everything is done only by the brain. Thinking, feeling, learning, and remembering is done by the brain.
Right now, Sid is thinking about something, and I'm helping him to do so. Not only that, I help him solve his difficult math problems and remember his friends' birthdays. Nice meeting you. Bye. It seems the sound is coming from somewhere here.
This is the heart. The heart is inside the chest. It is like a pump which sends blood to all the parts of our body. Heart sends blood to all the parts of our body.
Sound? I'm sure you often hear this sound, isn't it? I make this sound. I am Sid's heart. Sid is eating a banana. Let's see where this banana is going. Hello, I'm Sid's food pipe. I will help this banana reach my friend the stomach. It is right there near the tummy. I got to go now. Bye. Let's go meet the stomach too. Hello, I'm Sid's stomach. All the food that he eats comes to me.
This is a stomach. The food we eat goes into our stomach. The stomach digests the food.
Oh, something is coming. I must go. I think there is another part in there. Hello, we are the lung twins.
We lived
These are the lungs. Lungs are like balloons. They help us to breathe. Without lungs, we cannot live.
inside Sid's chest. We help Sid in breathing.
Sid is able to sit, hold this bottle in his hand, and stand with help of some special body parts. Do you know which body parts? These special body parts are bones and muscles. We are the bones and muscles of Sid's body.
From sitting to standing to writing, we help him in everything.
Come on, Sid, let's go home now. So, kids, inside Sid's body, we have found his brain, heart, food pipe, stomach, lungs, bones, and muscles. We cannot see them from outside. They are called the internal parts. Just like Sid, we all have these internal parts in our body. Let's recap. The parts of our body that we cannot see from outside are called internal parts. The brain, heart, food pipe, stomach, lungs, bones, and muscles are some of our internal parts.
Now let's revise. The heart. Heart pumps blood to all the parts of the body. Second one is the lungs. Lungs helps us in breathing. The stomach. Stomach helps to digest the food. The kidneys. The kidneys help in throwing the waste from the body. The brain. The brain controls all activities of the body. Okay? Now let's move towards the worksheet. Question number 1, new words. BODY, body. BONES, bones. MUSCLES, muscles. INTERNAL, internal. ORGANS, organs. HEART, heart. PUMPS, pumps. LUNGS, lungs. BREATHE, breath. STOMACH, stomach. KIDNEYS, kidneys. BRAIN, brain. Body, bones, muscles, internal, organs, heart, pumps, lungs, breath, stomach, kidneys, brain. I hope you all have now got an idea of internal body parts. And children, your today's work is you have to write these new words 2 times into your book. I'll be back with the next video as soon as possible. Till then, Stay home, stay safe.